Hi, welcome to Talking Teams. My name is Paul Tizzard. I'm a consultant at ETS. Now, in today's section, we're going to talk about team charters. Now, if you've been in the workplace quite a while, you've probably heard about these before, and there may even be some healthy cynicism towards them. So let me talk about what they are and also how you can really use them, particularly now as we're working in more of a hybrid workplace. So a team charter is like an agreement, like a contract between all of us. So the main parts of it would be, where are we heading? So what's our mission? What's our goals? What are our deadlines? What would success look like? That's all great stuff. We'd write that out. We'd also need to have our milestones written out. But then we start to then get into a bit more of the interesting stuff. It's like, who are we reliant upon? Who are our, they call it stakeholders, but who are the important people that we need to influence or that we rely on to be able to achieve what we need to achieve? And are they up there as part of our map of what's important? What are the critical things that we're going to say in terms of how we show up? So once you've done the task stuff, we need to then take some time and say, okay, so whether we do it on Post-its or whether we do it in chat boxes, we say, what's the 4 or 5 non-negotiable behaviors that we'd like to hold each other to account on? And these could be things like, in Teams meetings, we keep our cameras on, or we make sure we have time for informal socials and catch-ups like that. And we build that into it. And then you have your other stuff around, we make sure that we'll show up on time, but whatever the rules are that are important to your team. And the reason for this is, although it can seem a bit passé, and perhaps you might think this is a really obvious thing to do, but this team charter lives or dies depending on how much status and importance you give it. And if you do this in earnest and then hold each other to account with this, it can be remarkable because it becomes like a team contract that we all agree to. Thanks for watching.